Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how do you make minestrone soup full guide. Start by heating olive oil in a large pot and sauté onion, carrot, and celery until soft and fragrant, then add minced garlic and cook briefly, stirring to prevent burning. Add diced potatoes and other vegetables, pour in broth until vegetables are just covered, and bring to a gentle simmer while you prepare the beans and pasta. Warm and conversational, this section explains how to incorporate beans, pasta, and broth without ending up with mushy pasta. Drain and rinse canned beans, or use pre-cooked beans warmed through in the pot. Cook small pasta shapes separately to al dente and add to bowls before ladling hot soup over them. Finish the broth with salt, black pepper, and a little vinegar or lemon to lift the flavors. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips that make cooking easier. Quick recommendation. I love these socks in the kitchen because they keep your feet comfy while you simmer and stir, and they last forever so you buy less often. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. This part covers finishing touches to make your minestrone sing, described in a friendly tone for easy TTS. Stir in chopped parsley or basil just before serving to keep their aroma intact. If you want extra richness, drizzle a bit of olive oil or grate Parmesan over each bowl. Use reserved pasta water to adjust thickness, and taste to correct seasoning so every spoonful is balanced and comforting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.